Hello my students, how are you? Grade 4. Today we'll explain lesson number 6 topic 2 from volume number 1. This lesson speak about subtract greater numbers. Okay, look at with me. Self the chair. Nevada has a land area of 109,781 square miles. Colorado has a land area 103,642 square miles. How much larger is Nevada than Colorado to solve this problem any way you choose? Okay, we can find the difference between two numbers. Now we have 6 digits. Okay, we can find the greatest number here, subtract by smaller. First number will be 109,781 subtract by 103,642. Become number 1 it will be 7 and here 11. 11 minus 2 9 and 7 minus 4 it will be 3. 7 minus 6 it will be 1 and 9 minus 3 equals 6. 0 minus 0 equals 0 and 0 1 minus 1 0, then the result will be 6,139 square miles. Okay, look at me about this method here. I will give you another method to find the result. In the work we have to work about the result like a vertical method which I solved. It's like it, okay? Or you can solve this example by another method, so the result will be the same answer here. I find the difference between two numbers, or we can divide the number by a lot of steps, okay? Or as you like. The first solution is easy to find the result, okay? You can solve by the first method. Because the last lesson I explained this example for one from left hand side. Now we find the difference between two numbers when we have 6 digits by 6 digits or 6 digits subtract by 5 digits. We have the minuend and subtrahend. The minuend it must be greater than subtrahend to find the difference between two numbers, okay? Okay, because the result belonging to the real numbers here like natural number or integers. Not the, we explain here a natural number to find the result, okay? The example here estimates the difference in the areas of the two states. Is your answer close to the estimate? The simple answer difference is about 110,000 subtracted by 104. The result will be 6,000. My answer is close to this estimate. Okay, is this the answer about this question? He asked about two states to find estimate. Yeah, okay. Well, do you know the estimation? Okay, I will explain here. Do you know the estimation? This number 109,781 and the second number 103,642. We can estimate two numbers here. This number we can estimate this number to the nearest thousand. Right, 30 and 7 can give 1 to 9 0 and carry 110, and we can approximate this number to the nearest thousand. It will be 104,000 because 6 can give 1 to 3, 3 will be 4. The result will be 104,000. We can find the difference between two numbers, okay? Using the estimation to find the result between two numbers like this. So the difference between them equals 6,000. Do you know the rounding or estimation? Okay. Next page. Okay, look at with me. Next page here we can find sum between two numbers here. Then find the difference between the third. In this example here, look at with me. I will explain this example, okay? Three of the countries, we have 3 countries here. Look at with me. 1 2 3 3 countries here, okay? Parks are in Alaska. How much larger is the area of gates of the Arctic than combined area of Denel and Canal Fairground? We can add together and then the result subtract by the third. Okay, we can find some 2,711 to 2,000 or 19,000 here. We can add together 19,182 plus 2,711 and the result subtract from 34,287. We can draw this model to find the result between two numbers. Okay, you can find the difference between two numbers. It will be 34,257. Okay, he solves the example. So in this example, we add two numbers and the result subtract by the third. Okay, or subtract from the third. Next question. He want to find the result for one. This example, true or false? Look at with me. I will examine this number. It's false. Okay, the simple answer here. He asked about the mirror. Which is the error about this example? Look at here. We have 8 minus 4 equal 4 and 14 minus 6 equal 8. 2 will be 1. 11 minus 7 4. But here he 1 from 2. He want to change the digit 2. 2 convert 2 from 2 to 1. Then the 100 series wasn't regrouped. This is the wrong answer. Okay. Next question. Explain here. He asked you in subtraction problem above, why was 0 in the 10,000 place wasn't right in the answer? Because we put 1. So the simple answer, it's necessary to write a 0 to the left of the greatest value position of a whole number. Okay. Next question. Total land area of New Jersey is 19,447 square kilometers, right? And solve an equation to show how to find how much more land area gets are located than New Jersey. Okay, we can find the difference between two numbers from last one. Like this, we can raise the equation on a number here in 34,207 subtract by 19,047. We can find the difference from the map. Look at the map here with me and find the difference between two numbers from this. Okay, where is the page? Here. We can find the difference between two numbers here and here. Okay, 34,000 and 19,000. We can find the difference between them. Okay, I will help you to find the result. Okay, with me about 34,287 subtract by 19,047. 7 minus 7 is 0 and 8 minus 4 4. 2 minus 0 equal 2. We can put 1. 14 minus 9 equal 5 and 2 minus 1 equal 1, and the result will be 15,240. Okay, next question. You can solve this equation, but you must repeat the answer. Okay, stop the video to solve this. Okay, and then tell me the answer. Like this question, 7 minus 2 equal 5, and then we must put 1. Like this number, I will write here. We have 425,637 subtract by 86,942. 7 minus 2, 5, and 13 minus 4 equal 9. 5 minus 9, we can do it. Put 1. 14 minus 9 equals 6. We can put 1. 14 minus 6 equal 8. And 1 minus 4, we can do it. Put 1. 11 minus 8 equal 3, and then drop 3. Okay. 338,695. Okay. You can review his answer. Next question. What the problem is here? You won't find what here. This example, he tells us carrier company makes, look here, carrier company makes 87,481 blue carriers, 36,262 red carriers, and 25,063 gray carriers. How many more blue carriers are made than red and gray? So we must add two numbers, red and gray, and then find the difference by blue. Okay, we have 36,262. It was here red. Okay, red, and gray was 25,063, and then finds the difference by the first one, the blue. Okay, blue, where the blue first one, 87,000, and we have here 87,491. Okay, first step, we can add together and the result subtract from this number. Okay, because it's number greater than the sum of them. He wants to find the difference between the number of blue carrions and the red carrions and green carrions. We can eat together first. 3 plus 2 5 and 6 plus 6 12, 2 and carry up 1, 1 plus 2 3, and 5 plus 6 11, 1 and carry up 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6. Then we can write 87,491 subtracted by 61,325. 1 minus 5, we can do it. Put 1. 11 minus 5, 6. And 8, no, don't put 1. Because 8 minus 2, we can do it. And then we have here 4. 4 minus 3 equal 1. And 7 minus 1, 6. 8 minus 6 equal 2. The result will be 26,166 more blue crayons here. Okay, next question. Number 16. Patrick subtracted 4,832 subtracted by 2,322 and got 250. Is his difference reasonable? Yes, we can approximating the two numbers here. First number, we can approximate this number to the nearest 100 place. The 100 place here 8. 3 can give 1. This result will be 408. And second number, 2 can give 1 to 3. Then the result will be 2. And we want to approximate to the nearest 100, right? 3 and double 0. Then we can find the result between them. 8 minus 3 equal 5 and 4 minus 2 equal 2. Then the result will be 2,500. Okay, it's not reasonable. So it's, this number is the difference should be close to 2,500. The difference between them should be 2,500. The result here 2,500, and it's a different answer. Okay, but approximating, it's not very sensible. Okay, I am thinking Nadia found 9,426 subtract by 800,185 using algorithm shown. Show to find the difference between two numbers with Nadia's algorithm. True. Solution here. Right, 1,300 subtracted by 10 plus 1. She count from smaller to get the greatest number. Okay, like this example, 1,748 subtracted by this number. We can count from smaller number to greatest number. Okay, I will explain this solution as a number line to know the steps. Okay, but here we can draw the number line to solve the steps. Okay, I solve this example. Okay, you won't find the difference between two numbers like this properties. Okay, look at with me. We have number line here. First step, we must put the smallest number here, 1,339. We can eat what to get the number. First step, we can eat here 1 to get 1,340, and then this number we can eat what 1,340. We want going to 1,784. Okay, we can eat 400. It will be 1,740, and we can find the difference between. We need to eat 4 and eat 4 also. Then the result will be 44. 8 to 400. 8 to 1. Then the result will be 400. 44 plus 1 will be 45. Okay, it's the difference between two numbers. Next question here, he wants to find the difference between in this table. Look at me. How many more people attended the street fair in 2019 and 2017 and 2018? We can add together and the result subtract by this number. Okay, we can find the difference. Okay, I will write the steps here. We can add numbers. We have 362,839 subtract is the sum between two numbers here, 81,129 and 112,172. 362,839 39 subtract by some of them. We have 2 plus 9 11, 1 and the carry up 1, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10, 0 and the carry up 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 equal 3, and 2 plus 1 equal 3, 1 plus 8 equal 9, and the right one. 9 minus 1 equal 8, 3 minus 0 equal 3, 8 minus 3 5, 2 minus 3 we can do it, 12 minus 3 equal 9, and 5 minus 9 we can do it per 1, 15 minus 9 equals 6, and 2 minus 1 equal 1. Okay, this is the difference between two numbers. 169,538 more people. Okay, next question. Look at with me on Monday. From the peak of Mount Kiminga, a group of a Mount Montano climbers descended 3,499 feet on Tuesday. They descended another 5,262 feet. How many feet did the mountain climber distance after 2 days? Okay, how many more feet? First step, we can write 2 days, we can eat together. First day, with them, then on Tuesday, they descending another feet here. Then we can eat together to find the result. Okay, first solution, you must eat together. First day and second day. Okay, or first day was what? First day here, Tuesday, and another day. Okay, 3,499 to 5,262. 2 plus 9 11, 1 and the carry up 1, 1 plus 9 10 plus 6 16, 6 and carry up 1, 5 plus 2 7, and 3 plus 5 equal 8. The result will be 8,761. Okay, understood. And then we can find the difference. How many more feet do they have to descend to reach? Okay, how many more? Okay, the another here number. How many more? Okay, how many more feet do they have to descend to reach? Okay, descend is the number here. Okay, we can find the difference between two numbers. Okay. We can find the difference between this number and the bottom here. This bottom. The bottom here was at least from the top to the bottom. The mountain was 19,341. Okay, we can find the difference between two numbers to find the result. Right, 19,341 subtract by 8,761. 1 plus 1 is 9. 4 minus 6 we can do it by 1. 14 minus 6 equal 8. 2 minus 7 we can do it by 1. 12 minus 7 5, and 8 minus 8 0. The result will be 10,500 feet. Okay, assessment practice. You can find the missing number here in this example and the difference between them two numbers like this. Okay, we can find the missing number here because 5 subtract by the digit here will be 6 per 1. Okay, we must per 1. 15 7 equal 8.